Alex. Hi, big boy. Hi, big man. You are 11 weeks old now. Can you believe it? You're almost 3 months old. Big guy. Hi, big guy. Hi. What are you doing there? Are you going to give Mom a smile? Thank you. What? What are you saying? Huh? What do you have to say? Oh, my sweet boy. Are you going to smile at your mama? Are you going to smile at your mama? That's a good smile. Thank you. That was a good smile. Yes, it was. Do you want to smile one more time? Since you're so good at it? Just one more time? Hi. Hi, big man. Hi. Hi, big boy. Did your big sister go to school today? Yeah? You gonna hang out with Daddy? Yeah? That'll be fun. That'll be so fun. Ooh. Come on. Come on, my little... What? You gonna talk to me? What do you want to say? Go ahead, say something. Say something to Mama. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Well, we have to end this video session on a smile. Can you give me a little smile? Alex. Alex. Hi. Hi, big boy. Hi. Hi. Busy looking around, I guess. Okay, well then we're going to say goodbye. Goodbye. Oh, sorry. I just scared you. Goodbye. Goodbye, family. Little kiss. Is that silly? Bye-bye.